That's my house.
Oh mio Dio.
Nice to meet you.
Wow, I'm crying.
No, I'm crying. No, ragazzi.
Everybody's here.
Oh my God.
Okay, how are you?
You are amazing.
How was your adventure? Did you find the pixie dust?
They found everything.
Yes, can you show me the pixie dust? The pixie. Okay. Yes, thank you. So nice to meet you. I've got a surprise for you guys, but I will ask you to have a seat, please. So please welcome Queen Elsa.
Oh, Leah. Hi, everybody. It's the queen. Please bow.
Yes. Sorry, are you
It's
Iris?
so nice to see you.
Yes.
Merci pour votre aide aujourd'hui. I hope you had a wonderful adventure.
They were amazing.
Yes.
Oh, that's so great. Et n'oubliez pas de venir nous voir à Arendelle. You know that our doors are always open.
Yes, and don't forget, love is an open.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank you,
you
Greta. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for coming. Bye.
Thank you, Elsa.
Yes, and bye to
Have a
Elsa.
good day.
Bye.
Bye, Greta. Bye.